and welcome to the Backend Clarity mini workshop. If you're here, it's probably because you're ready to get out of the grind and build a business that actually runs smoother without hiring a team or spending Lord knows how much time duct taping more tools together. If you don't know me yet, my name is Kara and I spent a decade managing software implementations and business automations in the corporate world. And now, since the beginning of 2024, I've been helping online coaches simplify and automate their systems so that they can scale without burnout. All right, so let's get right into it. Most coaches know they need to automate, but they don't really know what they are doing manually or what can be automated or how to even get started, because when you're first getting started, you start with your freebie and then you add an offer and then you're getting clients, and before you know it, you've patched together so many tools and your back end of your business is just a total and complete mess with the manual lead tracking, manual onboarding, sending emails manually, going between multiple systems. It's super clunky for you, it's super clunky for your clients. People slip through the cracks, and there's also no way to track your performance because everything is scattered across multiple tools. And because you have patched things together over time, you might not really be sure what's working, what's missing, or what's repetitive between all of the systems that you're paying for. Every online coaching business needs just 3 systems to function like a machine. So you need your lead system that's going to capture, qualify your leads, and follow up with them automatically. You need a delivery system, and that's going to give your clients that premium experience and take the load off of your back. They're going to get everything instantly. Everything's going to be consistent because you have that real system and you're not just frantically trying to, check off all of the things on your list every time someone buys. And the third thing that you'll need is the metric system, and this shows you what's working so that you can actually make CEO level decisions. And if you are missing any one of these 3 things or you're doing it manually, your business will feel heavier than it needs to feel. And the truth is that most of the stress that you're feeling in your business probably isn't because of a lack of leads or revenue. You're here because your stress is coming from a lack of systems. You have poor systems and you're carrying everything yourself. So I want to jump right into the clarity sheet and show you how you're going to be able to use this in the next 10 minutes to see exactly where your business is leaking time and money. And the sheet is going to walk you through the standard back-end automations that every coaching business needs. You're going to go step by step and check to see if you're doing it, not doing it, or if you're doing it manually. And then also what tools you're using, because we need to be keeping a pulse on how many tools you're using, because the majority of the time you can actually consolidate tools and it makes everything so much easier. So most people can uncover at least 3 to 5 leaks in their business within the first few minutes of filling this out. And these are revenue gaps and time sucks that you probably didn't even know were happening. And you'll also see a section for analytics and decision making, because if you don't know your numbers, it's almost impossible to make any good decisions in your business. Mark if you're doing it manually, and then what tools you're using, and you'll see that there is a tally happening up at the top. A lot of the times, even partial clarity on what you're missing in your automated systems will be enough to move you forward. So when you're done with the audit, you're going to know exactly where your back end is leaking that time and energy and revenue, and you're going to be able to prioritize what to fix first. You'll notice off on the right hand side here, I've got the high impact revenue and time savers. And so these are going to this column points out the automations that are high impact and are definitely costing you sales if you are not implementing these automations in your business. So you're going to be able to stop wasting time on tools that aren't helping by getting this locked down, and you're going to start simplifying with confidence, because you're going to know that your system was built specifically for coaches and specifically to optimize for coaches. And if you do decide that you want a system that does this all for you, is pre-built for you and ready to be customized to plug in your business, I can show you how to do that too. But either way, this is going to be your starting point. So now it's your turn to get started. Hop in here. This is a very, very quick audit, and it's going to provide so much insight into the missing pieces of your business. It shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. It shouldn't even take you 10 minutes. Give yourself some time to go through it. This is the fastest clarity you're going to get this week, I promise you. And you'll also find the blank snapshot template within this document. And this is just that next step if you're ready to start mapping it out visually. And of course, whenever you're ready to simplify it all for real, you know where to find me.